sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way.
Hola everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Shiloh Seashells once again, and I'm excited to share my adventures with you. Join me as I experience life from different places. 11.5. Magbalik 20 na yan. Ay, mabigat na magbalik, sabi ni ate. Brought to you by RCBC. Thank you. Thank you, RCBC. You're my favorite. I'm watching the... What's that? Ah, Etihad. Yan pa yung kulay ng Etihad. Ay, Etihad. How do you pronounce it? Etihad. Solo traveler, solo traveler. Ganda na. Para sa inyong kalikasan. Kaya to. Wow, my Paris feel. Colorful. At the Kaohsiung Airport. Guys, ayan, sa paglabas nyo, andito na lahat ng mga yung lucky hand. Ba yung lucky draw? Tapos yung mga SIM card. May nakita ako doon kanina, like mga around 500 NTD. What's this? Okay, the lucky lang. This is B1 already. Bumaba ako, lumabas, tapos bumaba ng airport. Lumabas, tapos bumaba. Tapos ayan, makikita niyo yan, MRT ticketing. Tapos dito, hindi ko lang kayo ng kanan. Yeah, right. Yeah. Bilis lang dito. Dami ding Pinoy and fairness. Yay! Formosa Boulevard. Hi! Hi there! So, akit na tayo. Diyan. So, guys, this is the Formosa. May pupunta dito. Wanan Bank, tapos 6th floor. Nakita mo yung dito ko dapat na. Okay. I'm familiarizing the place, guys. Because it's my first time here. So, yeah. After the night market to eat some food. Uy! Yeah, same in Japan. You can also do this. Okay. So, just a 3-minute walk from my hostel is the night market. But be careful because maraming mga sasakyan din. Ay, mga motor pala. And there's Watson. Yes. My juice. Kiwi? What's this? What's it, guys? So na lang order. Same. Good morning. Good morning. Exploring for today. Beautiful morning. Hi guys, beautiful morning. So welcome to Kaohsiung. Ayan, and then yung lang hostel ko. Then may red na sign. Tapos near lang sa Formosa Boulevard. So, ayun, I'm off to 7-Eleven for my breakfast before ako mag-tour. So, dyan! Matane! 7-Eleven is the key. Tuna, pork, what else? Salmon. What's this? Plant-based tuna. Oh, plant-based tuna. So, banana 20. Ano pa? Ito, or sandwich. Maybe coffee. Ah, drinks. Maybe we should try the drinks. Cafe mocha. Oolong milk tea. We should try this one. Ito na lang. Ay, is this KitKat? Ang dami option. Lemonade. Kasi baka mas sugar ito, ma'am. Hanap tayo ba? Ito. 7-Eleven. Sa Lubong. So, hi guys! Near lang din pala ito yung Let's Hostel, oh. So, hindi ko rin alam actually ba't ako nandito sa Kaohsiung. Kaohsiung surprised me. Ah, my God! So, yeah. Samahan niyo ako. Let's go! Parang urban. Tcharan! Okay. Saan tayo ngayon? Ay! Tcharan! This is the World Games Station. Hi! So, hi guys! I'm off to Lotus Pond. So, ayun, madali lang. Just ride the red line from Formosa. So, one line lang and then you have to hop off. Hop off. Gusto mo yan? Ay, wow! Iba dito. Ah, more nature! So, tapos, after that, you have to ride a bus going there. So, yun lang. Oh, by the way, guys, I was able to use my GCash riding the train. Oh. Where should I go? Lalabas pala ako. Mali. Iba, no? Ah, maraming factory. Siya, balik tayo. Saan tayo lalabas nito, ma'am? Cha! It's empty. So ngayon we have to ride the bus number 6. Yan. So parang so far, mga puro 30 NTT yung binayaran ko. Parang mahal yata dito sa Taiwan. Char. Jaka. Hi guys! Dito na ako finally. This is the ride station. MRT World Games Station. Oh my God. Kasi hindi ako marunong pag-bus talaga. Train lang talaga yung ano ko. Panlaban ko whenever I'm traveling. So, yeah, I have to ride a bus. Naiwan tuloy ako kasi nawala. Hindi ako marunong pa. So, yeah. Hindi pa naman ako marunong. First time. So, ayun guys. See you in Little Stand. By the way, use this card. So, as long as like time, you can use this. So, ayun lang. Yeah. Hi guys! So, first destination ko pa lang. Wala na ako. Hindi ko nga alam kung tama yung kanina. Feeling ko sira kasi yung sa other side ng station, bus station. So, kaya ako napasakay. No, walang palayo ako. Nag-frustrate ako kasi wala ako. Tapos ang hirap nakipag-communicate. Ayun lang, it's hard to communicate. Gusto ko maiyak pero di ko magawa. So, ayun. Anyways, I can do this. By the way, this is the national, Kaohsiung University of Science and Technology. So, ayun, at least napapunta ako dito. Tinuruan lang ako ng driver. Pero, nag-Chinese siya. So, ayun lang. Rod, help me. Cute. So, hi guys. Finally, nasa bus 301 na ako. Tinalungan ako ng dalawa. Mag-mom. So, yes. Mabait na mga tao sa Kaohsiung. Thank you so much. Tapos guys, ako lang yung mag-isa. Ayan. Ako talaga actually mag-isa. Ito yung nakita natin kanina from the MRT. So guys, finally, I'm truly thankful daw sa mga sa mga drivers at saka sa mga strangers na tumulong. Oh, this is the one. Wow, ayan na guys. Hi guys. I'm here now. finally, after almost 2 hours, nakarating na ako. Tamang bus na yung nasakyan. So, according to Google, this is a temple dedicated to the memory of Confucius. Guys, look! Paglabas mo ng ng Confucius Temple, marami ka nang makikita. Tapos, ayun! Makikita niyo yan. So guys, ayun, so this is the lake and that's the Wanchang Temple, and then ito yung dadaan mo. Thank you Lord, mahal. So, tsaka maganda yung panahon. So hi guys, wow, paid actor yung mga ibon. Ay, Lord. Ayan siya. So this is the Tiger Dragon Pagodas, if I'm not mistaken. So, ang init. Super, ooh! So, guys, ayun yung spring and autumn. But it's, under construction. Bathing. Pasok tayo dito. Then, lalabas tayo dun sa kabilang side. Let's see. Ah, okay. Aray! So, this is what's inside. So, ayun guys. Almost na. Haba niya in fairness. Okay. Oh, yay! It's on the other side. And this is the view. Look. Ah, okay. So yeah, there you go. That's the view. And then, this is Dragon, which is under construction. Unfortunately. Meron din sila activity, guys. Oh. Parang yung sa wakeboarding. I think so. Yeah. It is. And then, this is the view. O, diba? Haba na inikot ko. Ikot-ikot kasi siya. Ayan, ganda oh. So, hi guys. Ayan, parang payong pa tayo ngayon for today's video kasi ang init. Thank you Lord sa magandang weather. Ayan. You have to walk all the way from there. And then, dito. Actually, maganda dito picture-picture. Ayan. Without the payong. With the payong comes great responsibility. Ayan guys. Diyan. Ayan lang. Gusto ko na ipakita sa inyo to. Kapayong na talaga ako kasi super init. Pero syempre, thankful kasi maganda yung panahon. And then, ayun, magkakasunod lang sila yung mga pinuntahan ko. Makikita nyo sila paglabas nyo ng Confucius Temple. So, makikita nyo yung lahat ng pinuntahan ko, which is magkakatabi lang. So, hindi kayo mahirapan. You'll just have to walk. So, make sure you wear your most comfortable shoes. Ciao! So, guys, habang hinahanap ko yung bus station going to the MRT station na sasakyan ko, nakita ko yung Social National Nature Park. So, nakita ko sa picture na may mga monkey. So, titignan ko kung madali lang siya. Ha? Huh? Okay, ja. So, ito yung view, guys. Oh, diba? Kita pa dito yung Confucius Temple. At mga activities. So, ayan. Surrounded ng greenery. Itong Shoshan. And that's the road. So, yan? Ah, okay. Ano yung bus ko? Hi, bus. Yan, no? Nakakatawa. Hindi ka mawawala kasi mayroon mga ganyan. Diyan ka dadaan. Pupunta ka doon sa National Nature Park. Hi guys! Story time! Another bus station. So, ayun. Tama naman to kasi nakita ko naman siya doon. So, ayun. Tindihan ko na may English. Ito na yung gumagana sa bus. Easy. Yan. Okay. Diyan. Back in the city. And yeah, this is in Ausdi. And I saw one line. Ang cute. Parang LRT siya. So, ang cute kasi themed. Oh. Ano to dito? Oh, mga suitcases. So, ayun lang. Anyways, back to exploring new place. So, I'm off to Love River. So, yeah! Welcome to Love River. Love. Love lang yung nakita. Pero may river pa yan. Ooh. Pwede ka mag-sunset sa Love River area. So, hi guys! Na-explore ko na yung Love River. Maganda here during sunset. It's for magjowa. Char. No, it's actually like a park wherein you can exercise. So, ayun, bike, run, walking, dancing, and date, magjowa, ayun, Anong building yan? That's so colorful. I think it's a mall. So, guys, ayan na, nakita na natin. So, I think it's a Japanese mall. Ayan, kasi mga Japanese, Japanese din yung nakalagay. Tsutaya, Japanese yun eh. Moji. Oh, they have Second Street here. Vamos. Okay. Dong, 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 donkey. Dong, 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 donkey. This is in Kaohsiung, guys. Morning guys. By the way, ito pala yung pinagstihan ko na hostel and this is their area for everyone. So, lakad. Hindi ako makapag-video sa loob ng room. Pero sakto yung space niya. Tsaka mura lang din. Ayun lang. Ito ulit yung view. Good morning. So, this is my breakfast. Kung anong kinain ko kagabi. Almost the same. Pero may coffee ako. Ay, taga Old Town na akong nakita. So, that's why binili ko. Pero a bit expensive. Siguro mga 100 yung difference. Share ko lang breakfast ko. So, hi guys. I bought this for my bus rides because they don't accept debit or credit cards in buses. So, this is for 100. You can buy this pass in any train station or 7-Eleven. And then you can reload in 7-Eleven as well or any bus train station. So, ayun. Off to another adventure. See ya! Maja! Hours. Okay. Hi guys, beautiful morning. So after hour and 30 minutes of traveling. I'm here in Fo Guangshan. So, oh, it's actually huge. So you have to allot time for this. Okay, so you have to take a walk. Ayan, nakita sa background. So this is complimentary use na payong because it's so hot. And then, so ayun guys. So from Formosa Boulevard, I took the train going to the Zoying station. And then from there, just you have to go outside, walk for at least a minute. Exit 1, tapos ride a bus. So it will go directly to Fo Guangshan. So yeah, let's explore this huge place. By the way guys, it's surfing. So ja! This is inside the art gallery. And I have this for free. Kasi season daw nila. So, binigyan ako ng mo. Thank you! So, hi guys! May nakilala akong nag-work dito. So, her name is Pauline. Tapos, inana niya ako dito. Tinur. So, ayan. I'm happy na meet ko siya. Kasi nakita ko to dito from the upper area. Kasi iba yung view pag nasa taas ka, tapos nasa baba. Ganda! Yan yung malapitan, guys. Hi, guys! Welcome to the Fo Guangshan Museum. Pero hindi na ako nag-ikot like super sa loob kasi mostly mga naka-Mandarin. Pero may mga English din. So, ayun. Dito lang ako sa labas na lang. Take ng video and a photo. So, be ready kasi you have to walk a lot. So, if you have elderly or children with you, be ready talaga kasi mahirapan kayo. So, ayun lang kasi na-catch ko yung bus going to the Zoying. But, again, so, ayun lang. Ja! So, highly recommended to. Aside so free siya, maganda, malawak. Ma-exercise ka pa. So, ayun lang. Tapos marami kang matutunan about Buddhism and the founder as well. So, ayun lang. Diyan! The bus going back to the Zoying district. That's the Buddha Museum. Ang cute! Naka-discover ng Art Village. Hi guys! I made it here! So, this is in Wei Wuying Station. Ayan. Tapos, tapat lang siya ng Art Center ng Kaohsiung. So, ayan. Yan na. Yeah. Naka-discover ako ng Art Village. So guys, search nyo lang sa Google Maps tapos Wei Wuying Street. Tapos dito, parang entire niya, parang village siya. Tapos colorful yung mga ang galing. Oh, nakakatawa. Hi guys. Hi guys. So I'm here nasa Hamasen Station. So this area sunset na, tapos maganda sa night time. So from Wei Wuying Station, straight lang yung orange line, saka end na siya. So ayun lang, dyan, see you on the top. So guys, ito yung dinadaanan ko. Uy, may mga tao pala. Yes. Going up. Hi guys. So, yeah, malapit na tayo sa katotohanan. My God! Oh, there's a port. Hello, boys. Boys ba daw? Girls? Oh, malapit na. Almost. Cha. Hi, guys. I made it. So, I ran so fast, as quickly as I can. So, I made it here. Parang ano lang, 3 minutes to 4 siguro. Grabe yung takbo ko. Parang may mumo. Parang ako hinahabol. Parang ako nasa horror. My God! That was the scariest thing I did. Anyways, I'm here. Kunento ko lang. My God, guys. I was so scared. First time ko. Natakot. So, I realized, takot pala talaga ako sa dilim. Oh my God, it's so scary. Anyways, I'm here na. So, this is yung train na pinicturean ko dun sa Aussie. The green line. So, dito ako sasakay. Ciao! Yay! Wala masyadong laman, no? This is Sanfeng Temple. After walking for 13 minutes from the Shangjin. Ganda pala sa gabi. Hi guys! Andito ako ngayon sa Sanfeng Temple. So, I highly suggest punta kayo dito ng gabi. Ayan lang. Ganda, no? Fairness. Oops! Sorry. Thank you. Sumakay yung mga scooter. Ooh, let's go. Paglabas yun ng port, ayan, madami ng scooter, bike, and, oh, may team pa. So, ayan, oh. If you don't wanna walk. This is Pigeon Island, by the way. Just 5 minutes ferry ride. And this is this entire street is all about food. So I think maraming tourists here because festival. So it's their holiday. Ayun lang. Sana meron sila fried rice here. Fried rice. Anyway, so I'm off to the Pigeon Beach. So tara, samahan niyo ko. Diyan! So yeah, this is the Pigeon Beach. It's a long stretch of black gray sand. Tapos, oh, I think this is a good spot for surfing. Oh, yeah. There are people surfing, oh. Hi, boys. Ayan, madaming tao. It's family day because it's holiday. If you wanna go surfing, meron dong for rent ng mga boards. Tcha! So, ito mga design sa loob ng tunnel. Kasi may pailaw. Sige nga, tingnan natin kung anong meron. Ay! Wow! Hello, colorful houses. Ang colorful. It's noon time already. So, ayun. I'm off to I'm actually questioning my decisions in life now. Ba't ako nagpunta ng Pigeon Island? Apakainit. Anyways, gamit ko yung drone ko. And yeah. Ang init, guys. It's September month, so super init. Pero wala. In-enjoy ko lang siya. Kahit mainit. Yan lang. Diyan. Parang ma-infinity pool, oh. This is the Rainbow Church. Pero faded na yung color niya, eh. Yan guys, pwede kayo sumakay niyan kung ayaw niya maglakad. Oh, hi guys! So, I'm still here in Sijin. So, Google nyo lang siya. I actually forgot what's the name. So, ayun. Ginugal ko lang lahat. And then, pinalo ko lang yung Google. Nag-walk around Sijin. So, I did not take the U-bike because it's really hot. So, gusto magpayong. So, ayun. You just want to unwind and do slow travel. You can do it here in Sijin, but I suggest you come here around in the afternoon because I think this is the best spot for sunset here in Kaohsiung. So what else? The food dun sa the street food are much better compared sa Layohi night markets. So yeah. What else? Mas mura actually. And I like their smoothie, the passion fruit. It's perfect. What else? Ayan, gusto ko sana picture doon kasi ang init talaga guys. So, ayun lang. Diyan! Guys, merong nag-sunbathing. Look at that. Please don't run. I'm gonna take a video only, please. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. You see that? You see that? Oh my god. So this is your tirahan. Please don't run! So found another temple. So hi guys! Another free or no entrance fee museum is the Takao Railway. So here you'll be able to see the type of trains. Ayan o, yung team na train. Ayan. Tayo dun sa kabila. Dito ko. Tapos, ayan. Holiday. So, maraming family. Marami ding arts. Sepia art too. So, it has a lot of arts. Perfect, spot where you can take videos, photos. Nag-enjoy ako dito. And aside for that, it's for free. So, I don't have to worry. Parang mostly sa napuntahan ko, it's for free, no entrance, which is a good thing. So, ciao! May na-discover ako. So, yung green line, parang siya, good for mga tourist spots. So, that's what I noticed. Halos lahat ng mga station, like yung mga pier, yung mga malls, it's the Dream Mall, by the way. Ayun, just lang, you just have to walk for 5 to 6 minutes. Tapos ayun, pa-sunset na. It's amazing. By the way guys, meron pa na silang Ferris wheel dito. So if you want, if you're interested to ride, definitely you can go to Dream Mall. So I heard ano siya, this is one of the biggest mall here in Kaohsiung. So yeah, I decided to explore some, you know, some malls here. So yan lang, jam at wow, the sky is on fire. Ganda. Ganda ng sunset. I'm glad I waited. Okay, the Dream Mall. Ah, because it's Vermont's already. My H&M. Oh, look at that. The Ferris wheel. Done exploring the Dream Mall. Unfortunately, it's not really for me. Para lang sa mga mahilig mag-shopping. It's a combination of international, pero marami akong nakita Japanese products, which is a good thing. Kaso wala naman akong bibilin, kaya exit na ako. Sa food, hindi ako nakahanap kasi mostly mga pork meat. So ayan lang. Guys, dyan pala ako sa dating makain ng ramen. Sa mga Japanese talaga siya. Yung mga nandun din, they speak Japanese too. Sa mga Hapon din. So ito yung pangalawa ko order, which is soy vegetable ramen. So yan lang, this is in Formosa Boulevard, MRT station. That would be in exit, exit 1. Yun. Tada! Galing guys, nakaganyan lang siya. So, hindi mo siya, wow, nakakatawa naman. Safe na safe yung mga paninda. Pabalikan na lang nila bukas. Hello, cat! Ayan, guys. Oh, hello! The Formosa again. That's the MRT. Ooh. Wala ulit tao, no? Ganda. Hi, guys! So, it's 11 a.m. Easy day today. I'm off to Central Park. Costume Museum is actually closed during that day, and unfortunately I wasn't able to check. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Explore the Central Park and the Green Line, the museum, the art center. So found a theme 7-Eleven. Sa Melody yata yan. Favorite yan ng pamangkin ko na si Akila. Puntahan ko yan mamaya. Oh, by the way guys, it's so hot today again. So, dito ako sa Central Park. Ito yung gusto kong shopping area, hindi yung sa mall. Kasi ang gulo. Hindi ako makakalabas. Char. Kaya lang, ganyan lang. Yung mga makikita ko agad yung mga store na gusto kong pasukan para mabilis lang. Diyan! So, this is the 7-Eleven. Team 7-Eleven. Euro to Marchi. Kala ko si Melody. Cute. Ano? This is in 7-Eleven in Central Park. God. So guys, still here in Kaohsiung, and I've been eating Japanese food every time. So ayan lang, they don't have here, spoon and fork. Hindi pa ako naka-encounter, so chopstick talaga ang peg. Ayan yung food ko. Tja, let's dig in. Nasa loob pala to ng mall guys. Ayun yung prices na lang. Kasi yun, parang food court style. Siya lang yung food court na lagay pa. Tja! So I'm here again in Hamashan Station. Oh, there's another train. So I'm off to the Ember Museum. So ito yung dinadaanan ko actually is train trail. Train trail, wow. So, pupunta ko ng Ember Museum. So, yeah, para siyang AI inspired. Parang the one same in Singapore. So, ayun, tingnan natin kung maganda. Tcha! Ito pala yung binili ko, the iPass. Niloadan ko lang siya every now and then pag konti na lang. I think mas mura pag ito yung gagamitin compare sa mga credit cards and my GCash. So, yun lang. Share ka lang dyan. Walking, walking, walking. Walking, walking, walking. So, yun pala yung Ember Museum. Ang lapit niya lang sa Hamashen Station. Mga 5 to 8 minutes lang. So, yun. Daming kids. Hi, dude! Tara, let's go, guys. Guys, solo po. Solo for 190. Chinese dollar. So that was fun. So I paid 190 tapos binigyan lang akong freebie para takutin sa zombie warfare. So ayun lang. Ano kaya meron dito? Okay. So 1, 2, there are actually a lot of buildings. I'm not sure. Pero yun lang yung maganda for me. Based sa research ko, it's colorful and nakakatuwa. It's good for the kids. Pero ako natawa ko. Yun lang. Diyan. Oh, diba? Isn't it perfect? Sayang, sana sabay kayo. Guys, this is in Pier Arthur. Daran dito manood ng sunset. So, in Sidrin. Tapos dun din, basta malapit sa dagat. Sa dento. So, this is the place. Kaya tabad lang kumulok yan. Isn't it perfect? Near the river. Tapos, the view. Ganda ulit ng sky. It's pinkish. Ano? Ganda ulit ng sunset today. So, hi guys. This is in Glory Pier Station. So, according to my research, maganda siya paggabi. Siguro pag pa-sunset din. Tapos makikita mo yung mga yacht. Ayan. Tapos may plane. Ooh. Siguro malapit na lang to sa airport. Ayan. Dito nagpa-park yung mga yate. Ganda. Ito yung isa sa mga arts nila. So, dito ko siya unang na-discover. Yung tram. Favorite ko yan eh. So, hi guys. We're here in Kaohsiung Arena. Tapos merong katabing mall. Again. So, ayan. Sarado kasi yung night market. So, dito na lang ako nagpunta. For sa mga shopaholic, nakita ko ng Louis Vuitton. Yeah, to those people who loves to shop. This is for you guys. Char! Ja! Itadakimasu! So, sa food court lang talaga ako makakakita parate ng pagkain na masarap. Ja, at saka sa Sujin pala. Ja, let's dig in! Itadakimasu! Hi guys! So, yeah, kumain lang ako dito. Kasi nahihirapan ako maghanap ng pagkain ko dun sa Formosa Boulevard area. Or maybe, most of the time they're closed. And naabutan ko is yung ramen. So, baka magiging pangatlo ko na siya. Char. So, ayun lang. This is the Hanshin. Ang sarap ng kinain ko in fairness. Pag Thai talaga, masarap. And Fairview. This is the view. Oh, 360. Ja! Beautiful Thursday! It's my last day here in Kaohsiung and I'm going back to the Philippines. And yeah, by the way, that's my hostel right there, 6th floor. So I'm out to get some lunch. Okay, tawid muna pala ako guys. Ay, wala pa. Ayan. So hi guys! Dito na sa International Airport ng Kaohsiung. Balik na Pilipinas! See you, Philippines. So they're weighing everything. Hi guys. So this is the end of my video. I enjoyed my stay in Kaohsiung. I met few people. So I learned about China. Hopefully I can visit China soon. And by the way guys, AirAsia, they're weighing our hand carry luggage. So make sure that you have 7 kilos with you. It's very strict sila, very very strict. And 1 kilo excess is actually 400 NT. So, ayun lang. So what else? Ayun. So this is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I do here in Kaohsiung. And I hope you can visit this place as well. And yeah, if you like this video, please feel free to hit like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, Joe with the next. Bye. Buyers. Myers Kaohsiung.